Good morning, everyone. So we're going to continue our lesson about forces, and we talked about what a force is, which is a push or pull or any action that causes an object to move. And we said that there are two types of forces. We had the contact and non-contact force. So today we're going to talk about the difference between speed and velocity. Okay, you're going to be needing this when we're talking about forces all the way through the lessons. Especially when we talk about Newton's laws of motion, you're gonna need to know the difference between speed and velocity. So speed is basically how fast you are traveling. So and the unit of measurement is meter per second. So we say that the speed of the car is traveling at a speed, or the car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. Okay, velocity. This is speed. Velocity, on the other hand, is speed, but in a direction. That's all. That's the whole difference. It's so simple. Velocity is speed in a given direction. For example, this car is traveling at 20 meters per second east. They gave you a direction. A direction can be east, west, up, down, left, right. It can be anything. Okay, so if you're given speed with a direction, it's no longer called speed. We call it velocity because they gave you the direction. That's the whole difference. So speed is how fast you are going. Okay, velocity is how fast with a direction. Okay, so if I say 20 meters per second east, I'm talking about velocity, V. If I say 20 meters per second, I'm talking about speed only. Okay, because I don't know where he's traveling. Velocity is where the object is traveling. So that's the whole difference between both of these two. Okay, acceleration. You also need to know the meaning of this word, and we're going to study it in detail later in the second lesson coming, not this one. We're going to be learning about acceleration more, but now you have to know what acceleration is. It's basically the rate of change of velocity. Okay, how the velocity is changing, that's called acceleration. For example, if the car was moving at a certain speed, let's say 20 meters per second, look at this, and then the car slows down, that's acceleration. Why? Because there's change in velocity. Let's say the car was moving and then it started to speed up, that's also acceleration. That's part of velocity. Now, slowing down, we can call it deceleration, but acceleration can be used for all, because it's just a change in velocity. So let's say a car is moving 20 meters per second east, and then it started to move 20 meters per second west. It changed its direction. Okay, it can also be acceleration, but that's just change in direction. It doesn't have to just be change in the speed, whether it's slowing down or speeding up. Acceleration can be also change in direction. Okay, so that's acceleration, basically just change in velocity, whether it is speeding up, slowing down, or just changing direction altogether. Okay. We're going to be talking about net forces, but that's going to be in the other video.